Hello friends, how are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. Welcome to back my YouTube channel Trendy Pattern Design. In this video you will see some cute and creative crochet grandma models made with wool. These little models are very special because they are handmade and full of detail. The nice thing about crochet grandma model is they are not just toy and decoration, they also show the beauty of handmade art. Every stitch, every part is made with love and passion. These models can be made in many styles, some and simple and small, while others have colorful dresses, hats, or glasses that make them look even cute. Each one has its own unique personality. Crochet grandma dolls are perfect for decoration. You can place them on a shelf in your living room or even ask them as a gift for someone who loves handmade crafts. They intensely bring warmth and cozy feeling to the home. Color also play an important role. Soft color like white, cream or pastel shade give a sweet and classic look. Bright color make the models more lively and fun. Mixing colors of wool makes this design stand even more. And if you see the designs, any design in this video that you like, you can tell me in the comment box. I can also make the same designs for you if you want. So if you are looking for a cute decoration and handmade gift or just want to enjoy something creative, crochet grandma models are a wonderful choice. For more crochet design and ideas, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Trendy Pattern Design and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest video, and don't miss my new videos. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.